Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 50,000 plus content style for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is Sheri SK Facebook page. I will provide every video, like YouTube channel, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Subscribe this. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, so you can import Control A and enter. Our other way is go to contents overlay plus here. You see here import option. Click on import, and here is our files. For example, true match load. Scroll down. Our grandeur is here. Extract. You see, wow. For example, I use it. Okay. Grandeur overlay. Sorry. Select anyone. Okay, and you can import more. Click here. Big bundle load. Here is big bundle. You see, wow. Extract. Depend your own choice, you can install one by one. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, download this app for password. Take care, love.